Hi, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. My name is Nuvia and today we are making paperback turkeys. This craft is intended for ages 4 and up. For this project, you're going to need the following. So we'll start with our lunch paperbacks, and this is going to be your turkey, and we're going to start by making our feathers. You're going to make your feathers at the top opening part, and you can cut them out right now, or if you'd like to trace them before you cut, this is how you'll do it. So determine kind of halfway between the top to the part where it folds. And then I'm just going to do some dots. One on the end, one on the other end, one in the middle, and then one in between this end and the middle, and one between this one and the end. So this is going to be the base of your feather, and we're going to go up and up to a meeting point in the top, and we're going to do that to connect all the dots. And it should look like that. So once you have that, you'll grab your scissors and you'll start cutting out your feathers. Like that. So when you have that cut out, it should look like this. And now we're gonna go on to our next step. So now we're going to move on to painting our turkeys. I'm gonna grab this construction paper and use it as my base so I don't get my table too dirty. And I'm gonna bring over my paint. You can choose any color that you want, and then you just paint your turkey however you want. I think for this one, I'm gonna do some just blotches of paint. So I'm gonna put these on the side to dry, and we're gonna let them dry and then come back and do the rest. So now that your paperback turkeys are dry, we are going to open them up and stand them up like that. And we are gonna fill them up with a filling to make them stay standing. I am using some corn. You can use candy, anything that you want. I'll add some weight to it. Okay, so now that those have something that will weigh them down, we're gonna grab our ribbon or twine, and we're going to use our scissors and cut off a piece. I'm cutting about 12 inches, and we're gonna bring it in somewhere around there, and then we're just gonna tie a knot around it. I'm gonna do it to the side, and then maybe do 2 knots so it can be secured. So now your turkey should look like this. And let's do the same for this one. So now we're gonna grab our construction paper, and I'm using an orange construction paper to draw a triangle. And this is gonna be the beak of our turkey. So now you can grab your scissors and cut that out. Okay. So once that's done, we're gonna grab our glue and we're gonna paste our beaks to our turkeys. And then do the same thing with our googly eyes. So once you're done, they should look something like this. And that is your completed paperback turkey. You can also use this as goodie bags, table centerpieces for any dinners you're having. And that's how they look. Well, thank you for joining Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed work using the hashtag #ILoveHPL. See you next time. Bye.